When we are talking about Amale saleh, sometimes we are stuck. We don't know which are the right things at the appropriate time. For instance, if we want to do some service for our dearest ones at times, but we are really stuck. We don't know whether it would please our dearest ones or not.
Also, it's no problem at all. In Islam, every situation has been described, and the answers to problems are given by Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. So there is nothing one can conceive for which we already have not an answer by Hazrat sallallahu alaihi wasallam himself. For such a situation, he says, whatever you judge and weigh the matter in your mind and decide according to your own inclination. Whatever is slightly irritating and slightly jarring to your conscience, leave that and prefer that which is comparatively better or slightly differently. But if they are equally poised, both these problems, then you can do anything. Either of the two would be all right for you. Because Allah is not going to punish anyone beyond his capacity. If somebody is deciding an issue honestly, that is the most important thing. That honesty is taqwa. If you do something with taqwa in your intentions, then you are completely on safe ground. You have nothing to worry about. Yes, Dr. Mujibullah?